Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows 11 when it doesn't detect your headphones, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Here's what you have to do. First of all, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the System tab, select Sound in the right pane and make sure that it's selected to headphones, and if that doesn't work, revert it to speakers. I'll explain the cause behind this issue. I mean, obviously you can update drivers and all those generic solutions, but that doesn't mean that it's not finding the headphones. If the issue is with finding the headphones, the solution is on this page. The thing is that if you're connecting your headphones to the 3.5 mm jack, in that case it would be connected through the speakers. If you're connecting it through USB, it will be connected through the headphones. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.